Kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today we're going to show you can make yourself some rice pudding at home. So first of all, nothing is inside of the pot. The stove didn't turn on or anything. So what we're going to do, we're going to put 1 cup of rice pudding rice. Second thing, we're going to put some sugar. Three-quarter cups of white sugar. And then we're going to put 3 cups of milk inside of it. Roughly 4 cups of milk. And second thing, just a teaspoon of butter. Because we're not making too much. Alright? Second thing, stove on a medium size heat. It's very good for 45 minutes. Slow cook. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. What I want to simply say to you guys right here, as you can see, this is the rice pudding. I just add a little bit more milk to it, but I want to simply say to you, I've been cooking this about 1.5 hours now. Basically, I want to simply say to you, I have it on a medium size heat, very low, as you can see, because if you don't cook it on a very low heat, it will burn. And soon as the city milk goes down, you need to add more milk. So all you have to do is just add more milk until it cook, until you see it get thick like this. So please guys, if you want to cook it, if you want to make some rice pudding at home, please just keep it on a medium size heat. Don't turn up your stove too high, and always when the milk goes down, add more milk. Just add a little bit more milk until you see it cook. Anytime the rice get cooked and you see it getting too thick like this, add a little bit more milk and not make it too thick. But as you can see, the rice is cooked, and that's it. That's the most important thing, when the rice is cooked. So as I say, if you want to make some rice pudding at home, please be careful. Don't turn up a stove too high, because it will burn, because it's very easy to catch. All you have to do is have it on a medium sized heat and keep watching it, keep your eye on it. If you want to do something in the meantime, keep your eye on it. So enjoy the recipe, and as you can see, this is finished and the rice is cooked. Never did burn or anything, because I have it on a medium sized heat and I'm cooking it slowly. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. Nice and lovely. So right here is a little bowl. I'm just gonna simply share it a little bit for you guys can see exactly what's going on right here. Alright, that's the way it look when you make rice pudding. Alright, second thing is just get a little bit of strawberry and put it straight inside of it, just like that. So this is even another idea of pudding which a lot of people can use for Valentine, because it is red and white, and a lot of people know it's just ideas and stuff where you can do at home. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and thank you so much for watching the cooking show. And that's my rice pudding. See you next time. Bye.